The new Cayenne launches in Europe, offering three distinct engine options. The Cayenne S features an upgraded 4-liter V8 biturbo engine, replacing the previous V6, with a maximum output of 468 horsepower and 600 newton-meters of torque, an increase of 33 horsepower and 50 newton-meters. Both the SUV and SUV Coupe reach 100 kilometers per hour in 4.7 seconds, with a top speed of 273 kilometers per hour. The entry-level Cayenne boasts an enhanced 3-liter V6 turbo engine generating 349 horsepower and 500 newton-meters, an improvement of 13 horsepower. The Cayenne E-Hybrid uses the 6-cylinder engine paired with a new electric motor, upgraded to 174 horsepower, for a combined output of 464. With a high-voltage battery capacity increased, it offers an electric range of up to 90 kilometers under the WLTP standard. A new 11-kilowatt onboard charger reduces charging time to less than 2.5 hours. Improved e-hybrid driving modes enhance vehicle efficiency during trips. Outside the EU, the Turbo GT is the top Cayenne model in most Porsche markets, designed for maximum on-road performance. Exclusive to the coupe, it benefits from all model series upgrades and innovations. The Turbo GT's 4-liter V8 biturbo engine output increases to 650 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.3 seconds, and reaching a top speed of 305 km per hour. Starting at €89,000, the Cayenne comes with an extended standard equipment package, including Matrix LED headlights, Porsche active suspension management, 20-inch wheels, front and rear park assist with a reversing camera, and an inductive charging smartphone tray. The new Cayenne models can be ordered now, with deliveries in Europe beginning in July 2023. The updated Cayenne boasts a striking appearance featuring a new front end, more pronounced wings, a new hood, and technologically advanced headlights that emphasize vehicle width. The rear end showcases three-dimensional tail lights and a redesigned rear apron. Additional customization options include 3 new colors, lightweight sports packages, and an extensive range of 20, 21, and 22-inch wheels. Matrix LED headlights come standard on the new Cayenne, with optional HD Matrix LED headlights offering 2 high-definition modules and over 32,000 pixels per headlamp. The headlight's innovative technology prevents dazzling other users by selectively blocking high-beam light. The brightness adjusts in over 1,000 steps, with customized light modes increasing safety and comfort. The new Cayenne introduces an air quality system that utilizes predictive navigation data to detect approaching tunnels and activate air recirculation. Optional fine dust particle sensors and an ionizer work together to improve air quality, benefiting allergy sufferers. New and improved assistance systems, such as active speed limiter, swerve assist, cornering assist, and enhanced Porsche InnoDrive, contribute to increased safety and driver assistance in various situations. With a refreshed exterior, redesigned dashboard, and significant powertrain improvements, the 2024 models are now open for orders in the United States, with deliveries slated to begin in the summer. The base Cayenne model retains its turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine, now boasting an increased output of 348 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. The Cayenne E-Hybrid, powered by a turbocharged V6, features a more potent electric motor with an output of 174 horsepower. This results in a combined power of 463 horsepower, an increase of 8 horsepower. The battery capacity is now 25.9 kilowatt-hour, and a new 11 kilowatts AC charger enables home charging in under 2.5 hours. The Cayenne S model now sports a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 engine, replacing the previous V6. Producing 468 horsepower and 442 pound-feet, this engine offers an improvement of 34 horsepower and 37 pound-feet. With the optional Sport Chrono package, both the standard and coupe models can reach 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, with a top speed of 169 miles per hour. The top-of-the-line Cayenne Coupe Turbo GT houses a 650 horsepower twin-turbo 4-liter V8 engine. Capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds, it boasts a top speed of 189 miles per hour. The Turbo GT comes equipped with performance features like rear-wheel steering, air suspension, ceramic composite brakes, and titanium exhaust pipes as standard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.